How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where this Tuesday we're showcasing the BayView. Guys, I know my name's Mr. Tiny, but we're gonna have to change it to Screech for this particular segment because we need to take this BayView to the bayside where it belongs. And it starts all behind me, guys. If you look at this nice bay window with plenty of windows, plenty of natural light up top, coming in, opening up the space quite a bit. We also have the white southern yellow pine on the roof from front to back, making it a nice accent to this home. What I like about it is if you're sitting in your living area, you also have the fireplace. Nice LED fireplace, actually puts off heat, can heat you up in the wintertime. It's just a nice elegance to this room as well. Real rock going around that, and a TV jack up above to mount your flat screen. Got additional windows over here to the side in your dining area, and clear story windows throughout the home up top. And what I like about it as well is you have the door with the blinds and the glass. So that way, if you want to invite your neighbors over, hey, you can let them in, or you want to keep it a little bit more private, guys, you just let it down, act like you've never seen them. We keep moving this way, you'll see this has a bunch of storage space, an abundance of storage space, cabinets, drawers, galore, everywhere in this home. You got space for a blender, space for coffee makers, whatever you would like, you can put up here. And it goes right here to your stainless steel farm sink. No divide in there, gives you extra space, nice window above to look out onto your property. And you got the stainless steel appliances to match. You actually have a dishwasher in this home. That's an added feature that kind of makes it more convenient for you. Smooth top stove, nice convection oven, side-by-side refrigerator with the ice in the door. And guys, you also got your bathroom right here to the side of me that you'll see that you got a nice countertop space, nice stand-up shower. And what makes this BayView so great is that you also get stackable wash machine and dryer. If you buy this unit right now from me, you can get this wash machine and dryer. Come back to the master, got the nice pocket door, painted white, kind of give it a little bit of pop. And everybody's favorite, everybody loves the barn doors, guys. Slide for your convenience, no swing in here, gives you more room. You got the nice dresser as well in the middle with a cutout for you to put your TV. Windows all around, nice built-ins for your storage as well, more storage space. You even got some here up top, right above your bed if you want to place it on this side. You got abundance of space, abundance of natural light coming in to open up this area. And guys, and it doesn't stop there, we even have a split loft, guys. You guys follow me upstairs. Now we've made it up into the split loft of the BayView. You got an abundance of area up here for everybody to hang out, for kids to sleep up here. Adults can as well. If you have guests coming over, want to spend the night with you after having a great time in your BayView, you got a couple of mattresses up here for them to stay the night at their convenience. You also have plenty of storage space. You can put knickknacks, whatever you want up here. Put clothes. This could be your winter collection up here for some people. Maybe not me. I'd have a little bit more built-ins, but we can make that happen for you. You also have a cutout up here that you put a nice TV gaming system for the kids, whatever you like. Also TV jacks, plug-ins on side of the walls. Again, clear story windows all the way around, and it connects into the other side of the split loft. So you have double the fun in the BayView, guys. More than enough room for you to accommodate you, your friends, and family. You also have these windows for the cross flow. It feels great up here right now. And guys, I just want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to comment, like, subscribe to our videos, ask about the BayView, ask me about the deal that you can't refuse, and I'll see you next time.